If this is your first time opening Forex Factory, you're going to see you have news of all impact. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to filter the news you see on Forex Factory and make sure you have just the high impact news. So right now, I'll click on the filter button at the top here. And once I do this, you'll notice all the news impact is being checked. We have the red, we have the orange, the yellow, and the gray. So the red is the most impact, the orange is medium, the yellow is less impact, and so on. So I'm going to uncheck the yellow, then I uncheck the gray too, or the brown. Now, I'll also modify the event type. So right now I want all these events, news on all of these events, and I want it on all of these currencies. So once I'm done, I'm going to click apply filter, and boom, there you're going to see only news with the most impact is being displayed on my chart. Now the last thing you need to make sure is that your current time is synchronized with the time on Forex Factory. If you click on the menu, you click here, then you'll see your time. Make sure you click on the time and ensure that the time that is set here, it's the same time zone as the time zone where you currently are. So right now my time zone is GMT plus one. You have all the options to choose from, and always make sure that this time matches your current time here to ensure that you have news at the right time. That's it for this video. Make sure you do like and subscribe to get subsequent educative videos as such. Ciao.